There are new changes to OHIP that could affect you if you are traveling outside of the country. Now, Canadian travelers are no longer covered under OHIP's out-of-country insurance. Now, one group representing Snowbirds says that this violates the Canada Health Act. New year and new changes to OHIP.
The out-of-country travelers program did not provide meaningful coverage for Ontarians.
Health Minister Christine Elliott had announced a program cancellation in May that has now eliminated out-of-country inpatient services up to $400 per day for higher levels of care, as well as up to $50 per day for emergency outpatient and doctor services.
We really don't want people to be misled that they actually have any coverage under OHIP. I mean, historically, they have had coverage which was not meaningful in the sense of having only 5 cents of every dollar of every claim that is submitted covered.
A little bit helps. I'm curious to know where else they want to put the money if it's that important to them to save there.
Maybe the amount can be reduced a bit, but it should be there. You know, it gives a little confidence to the citizens.
The Canadian Snowbirds Association has announced it's seeking a judicial review of the changes that came into effect New Year's Day. The group claims scrapping the program infringes on Ontarians' rights to emergency medical care stated in the Canada Health Act. The association released a statement that says, in part, these cuts are an egregious violation of the portability requirements of the CHA and must be addressed head-on.
It isn't going to make any difference, or not a substantial difference to anybody, because you're talking about covering 5 cents on the dollar. Like, it's not talking about covering 95 cents, it's talking about covering 5 cents. If you're buying the insurance, how much difference could that possibly make to the cost?
The province claims it was spending $2.8 million to administer about $9 million in claim payments annually. Some travelers worry the cost of private travel insurance rates could increase now that OHIP will no longer help with any of the out-of-country costs. The province says they will not comment on the case regarding the Canadian Snowbirds Association as it is before the courts. At Pearson Airport, Melissa Nakavali, City News.